video. Happy watching!
One day Mrs. Nina was taken care of for dengue hemorrhagic fever in Purwani Hospital. Mrs. Nina is a Punch patient.
Morning ma'am, I nurse Yasyfa who takes care of mother from 2 until 8 night. If you need anything to press the bell or call in the nurse. If you cannot get the drum on the bell or call me in the nurse.
Morning sus, but I'm sick of sus. Definitely need a nurse very often.
Many nurse work, many patient or not judge you.
Well sus, as much I not often I can ring the bell.
This taken the cure mom. Mom, it's spent if you don't want take the medicine. I be back in the nurse room first.
Sus, thank you.
After 30 minutes later, Mrs. Nina pressed the bell to call the nurse because Mrs. Nina's fluid ran out.
What's the matter, mom?
My IV fluid is off sus. I get a new one.
This mother do is a job. Wait a minute, mom. I will get it first.
Well sus, thank you.
It's been over an hour. The nurse had been visiting in to replace Mrs. Nina's four. Then Mrs. Nina pressed the bell back and the nurse finally came.
Can you hold on a second? I told you that there was a lot of patient. Why did you press the bell all the time?
But sus, I asked for a fluid already from an hour ago.
I have brought you a new one and I have changed it.
Well sus, thank you. Sorry, I'm such a bother.
Okay.
Then the nurse Yasyfa returned to the nurse's room with a twat and a cynical. Mrs. Tuti sick dengue hemorrhagic fever like Mrs. Nina. But Mrs. Tuti is a patient with a common facility.
Morning ma'am, I'm a nurse. We will take care of mother from 7 to 2 p.m. If you need anything, I'll be right there.
Sus, thank you, but I think I will present the bill because I not looking as for sus.
It's okay ma'am, it's already my duty, a nurse. Well mother, if you'll excuse me, I hope to recovery.
An hour later, Mrs. Tuti pressed the bell to ask for medication because Mrs. Tuti was a little dizzy.
Yes ma'am, how can I help you?
My heart sus, may I have a call for sus?
Well ma'am, I asked the doctor if you can get me a paracetamol or not. Ma'am, excuse me.
Okay, thank you sus.
Five minutes later, the nurse came in with the paracetamol medicine that Mrs. Tuti asked for.
Good day ma'am, I asked the doctor and I was allowed to take the medicine. Then would you like me to help you?
Yes, of course.
I put paracetamol here, don't forget to drink ya ma'am.
Yes, thank you sus.
Then the Afista nurse returned to the nurse station after serving Mrs. Tuti while without a meal and cynical.
Sour, I'm just smoking something much louder. She asked me if I do this every day. I said often. So many times she wrote the word.